For loops are powerful tools for handling repetitive tasks and are ideal for situations where the number of iterations is known beforehand. Today, we'll share 5 practical examples of for loops, ranging from basic to advanced, to help you get started. Example 1. Iterating over a list. The fruits list contains fruit names. The for fruit in fruits iterates over each item in the list and assigns it to the variable fruit. Inside the loop, print fruit prints the name of each fruit. Example 2. Automatic square calculation. The numbers list contains numbers, and the squares list is used to store the squared results. In each iteration, num takes a number from the list, calculates its square, and appends it to squares. Finally, print squares prints all the squared results. Example 3. Range-controlled loop. The range1to6 function generates a sequence of numbers from 1 to 5 inclusive of 1, exclusive of 6. The for loop iterates over each number in the sequence and assigns it to the variable I. Inside the loop, print I prints each number in the sequence. Example 4. Conditional filtering. In each iteration, a number is taken from the list and assigned to the variable num. The if condition checks if the number is even. If the condition is true, print num prints the even number. Example 5. Tree. Nested loops. The outer loop controls the range of I, and the inner loop controls the range of j. For each iteration of the outer loop, the inner loop executes completely. Print I, j prints all possible combinations of I and j. Useful tips. Use the range function with for loops to handle fixed range iterations. Nested loops are suitable for handling multi-dimensional data structures like matrices or coordinate systems. Conditional filtering combined with if statements allows precise control of output. Practice suggestions. Try modifying the list contents or ranges in the examples. Observe the results and learn to flexibly apply for loops. If you have questions or ideas, please leave a message for discussion. Let us learn and grow together.